fried rice.
Crispy chili chicken and
Veg fried rice.
veg fried rice. All right.
Tell us, how did you incorporate the mystery ingredient? Basically, the mystery ingredient. So the noodles.
We will use garnish for the mystery ingredients.
So use it as garnish.
Yeah.
All right.
Because this one crispy chili chicken, that's why I'm putting the top.
That's what makes it the crispy. Okay. All right. You don't always have to cook noodles, huh? What would you do differently if you had to make this dish again? What would you do differently?
I need some more time.
More time?
Yeah.
You were the first ones to have your food in the window, but you need more time.
Yeah. We need.
All right. Okay. We're not going to tell you anything about what we think until later.
Surprise.
But I took 3 bites.
Okay.
So that's pretty good, right?
They say
All right.
you got a chance.
I just skipped breakfast, so. All right. Next.
Beef stir fry with broccoli.
Okay.
With I put the sesame and the garnish, and then I put the egg part, the egg on the top.
Okay.
That's it. Like a Chinese style.
I was just in China last week, so
Megan is
hopefully
an
this
expert on
hopefully
Chinese
this is
food.
really authentic.
This is
Like Oriental. So how did you specifically use the mystery ingredient?
this the noodles you want to blanch slowly,
Alright.
and then stir fry the
beef.
saute of garlic, shallot, and ginger, and then you can put the vegetable, the same. And then after this one, then assemble for the beef, stir fry again, separate, and then you put it mixed together, and then that's it. Put the soy sauce.
And how many attempts did it take to make the tomato?
Very hard, chef. 30 minutes. Very hard. Cook with love.
So you did beef and chicken combo, huh?
Yeah, like that.
What color?
Yellow. They matched it. They matched their armbands to the.
That was perfect. I like that. Style points right there.
All right.
What do you got here?
Okay, we make orange coconut salmon, and it comes with orange zest and orange juice in the coconut milk and coconut flake.
All right.
Is this something you make for yourself normally?
Yes.
You've made this before.
Yes.
Nice.
You know what's going on.
Nice.
Thank you.
And
It looks great.
And so it looks like the noodles are a base.
Yeah, the noodles we just boil with the meat on it because of the seasoning that we have, the sauce that we have.
It will blend the
Yeah,
this.
blend it together.
Okay. All right. Excellent.
Why did you go rice and noodles?
Rice and noodles.
Why did you do that?
Because it was secret ingredient, no? So we already planned it. We will make rice down. Then on the morning we saw this one noodles. So I put
You didn't want to change up the recipe at all?
yeah. So I thought that we will put rice with the noodles as a secret ingredient.
Lots of carbs. I gotta be careful how many bites I take because they're all counting them. What seasoning did you use on the salmon?
Salmon we use salt and pepper, then basil leaves, little bit
Dried basil.
dried basil leaves.
All right.
All right.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So we call this dish Lucky Soba with teriyaki salmon.
Okay.
So what
Very
would
narcissistic.
I love that name.
Lucky Soba with teriyaki salmon? First of all, we marinated the salmon with maple butter syrup, with sesame oil, soy sauce, ginger, a little bit of sugar, salt and pepper, and then we let it sit for like 15 minutes. And then we pan-seared it for like 10 minutes, then put it in the oven for another 10 to 15 minutes. Then what we did for the soba, we blanched it, and we incorporate the vegetables, which is, as you can see, there's kale, there's bean sprouts, and there's a little bit of ginger, and we glaze the remaining marinated sauce, which has been cooked in the oven, the remaining sauce on top of the plate. Then there you go. Hope you will like it.
Thank you.
Nice shot. You had Megan at kale.
You like kale, Megan? There you go.
You knew that.
It takes more marination that we get the sauce intact on the salmon. You like the accent? Thanks so much. Shall I go to England? It's open. You can put the sauce here. It's fine.
Have here.
So we basically this one is the name of the dish is basic chicken roast.
Basic chicken roast.
Basic chicken roast.
Basic chicken roast. Okay.
No well stylish. It's seriously a normal ingredient we have used for this one.
Okay.
Like salt and pepper, ginger garlic, cumin powder, and
All this
coriander powder. All the spice we have mixed it up, and we had made a marination with the red chili powder and turmeric powder. We have kept it on the roast like more than 185 degrees something, and we kept it roasted. And apart from that, we also made a normal salad. Okay, this one with crispy tortilla. It has got all the mixed ingredients like onion, carrot, beets, cucumber, bean sprouts. It has got no dressing. In India, what we people do is like we have a salad like green salad.
It has only
with a-
salt and pepper.
Salt and pepper, no dressing. We usually don't have it. We are not used to it. That's why I made it like that only. And cilantro also is there. The another one is like we have. We don't want to lose the identity of the noodles because noodles has its own fan base. So we just kept it normally only with the lettuce. And we have also like mixed green vegetables we have put inside. And we also made a green chutney. That is something which is really different. It goes a good accompaniment with the roasted chicken. So you can try.
So these are two different salads?
Yeah, no, it's not. It's a noodle one. This is the salad.
Okay. All right. I just want to make
Two
sure.
different things.
So the noodles are in this salad?
Yeah.
Okay.
The one.
And where did you cook the chicken? Did you cook it in the oven?
Yeah. Yeah.
All right. What did you season the noodles with something?
We put just salt and pepper and some the spices cumin, and it's all spice and the coriander. It has only sizzle a little bit.
It's not as spicy as I thought it would be. Tell us about your dish.
We like make the beef stuffed with vegetable roll. Like the roll is a little bit broken, that's why we top with the noodles and the sauté vegetables. And also we have a sauté vegetable on the side and the small Caesar salad and the black pepper sauce topping. You can have a taste.
Okay.
You guys really tried to do some creativity with really trying to incorporate the noodles into the meat. I really appreciate that you tried to go that route. Chamara, what would you have done different?
It's the knife. It's not the steak. So how do you like your meat prepared?
Medium rare?
All right, good, me too.
What did you season the noodles with?
Herbs.
What kind of herbs?
Thyme, whole herbs, and bell pepper, carrot.
So you had two different mixes of stuff that you were putting in. What was the other thing?
Breadcrumb.
Did you have some rice or breadcrumbs or something?
Breadcrumb.
Nice, Mom. Okay, let's go to the back corner for a minute.
Pulled them up and took the highest score from there. And the team that wowed us the most with flavor, taste, presentation, and creativity is... It is the team that incorporated yellow into everything. It was honestly the team we were most worried about because they were so quiet, right? It was like they were both working in their own little worlds, but just stirring this coconut sauce. Look at the paparazzi.
5 minutes later.
We had a lot of fun. Mystery ingredients. A good start.
This is our prize.
This is our prize.